Hi, my name is Jason McElrea here at McDonnell Motors in Strathroy, Ontario. Just to kind of go over with you the value of our vehicle report card inspection that we do with our works packages here. Technicians will go through and they will check off inspections on the vehicle that they have inspected here. It'll also record tire tread depths on the vehicle here, brake pad measurements here on the vehicle as well, and technicians will also indicate if everything's okay, then they'll put a check mark in the green. If there is any issues or something that needs to be addressed in the future, they'll check off yellow for caution. And if there is anything pressing that needs immediate attention, they'll check off the red boxes here for us. And they'll also indicate what those measurements are to be of concern with there for us. And also they'll test the battery strength here as well and go through that with us here. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please contact us. Our address is 359 Caradoc Street, Strathroy, Ontario. Telephone number is 519-245-0840. Thank you for watching. And please press like or subscribe.